How to remove VPN configuration from Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can remove your VPN configuration from Android phone. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to remove your VPN configuration on Android, first of all, you can just try to disconnect that VPN if you unconnected using a third-party VPN app like Urban VPN, Touch VPN, and so on. But if it is already configured in your settings, you can open up settings on Android and look for the option like connections. Now in the case of Samsung, I can scroll down to more connection settings and there I can find an option called VPN. So you can also try to search for VPN on your search bar, by the way, on your settings, then go to VPN. There you can see the VPN configuration or the profile. I can tap on that particular VPN profile, then I can select this option called delete VPN profile. So when I select the delete VPN profile, I'll be able to turn off my VPN on my Android. And I'll also be able to remove those configurations. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.